Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this green shaded trapezoid ABED, fully confined in a blue square ABCD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this angle BED is 120 degrees, and the segment BE length is 8 units. And furthermore, all these interior angles of this blue square are 90 degrees each. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded trapezoid ABED. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded trapezoid ABED, and now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to height h times the sum of the bases a and b all over 2. And here in our case, this side of the blue square is our base a. This tiny segment DE is our base B, whereas this AD is the height h of this trapezoid. So therefore, now our task is to find the value of lowercase a, lowercase b, and the height h as well, before we could calculate the area of this green shaded trapezoid. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole straight angle is 180 degrees. And we know that this angle is 120 degrees. So therefore, this remaining angle has got to be 60 degrees. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle BCE. We know the sum of the interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. We know this angle is 60 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees. So therefore, this angle has got to be 30 degrees. And now we are going to focus on this blue triangle BCE. And we can see this is our special 30, 60, 90 triangle. Since this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 60 degrees, and this angle is 90 degrees. So therefore, we are going to go over the basic review. And now let's focus on this 30, 60, 90 special triangle BCE. We know 30 degrees is our smallest angle, whereas this 90 degrees is our largest angle. So therefore, the side opposite to this smallest angle is going to be our smallest leg. And the side opposite to this largest angle is going to be our longest leg. And that leg is also called the hypotenuse. So therefore, in such kind of special 30, 60, 90 triangle, the longest leg is always twice the smallest leg. If the smallest leg is 1, then the longest leg has got to be 2. And this third leg is going to be the square root of 3. And in general, if our smallest leg is x, then our longest leg is going to be 2 times x, and our third leg has got to be x times the square root of 3. And now let's revert our attention back to this given problem. This side is our longest leg, which is our hypotenuse, whereas this EC is our smallest leg. So therefore, our longest leg is 8 units. So therefore, the smallest leg is going to be half of that longest leg. That is going to be 4 units. And this third leg is going to be 4 times the square root of 3. And now we can see that this side BC length of this blue square is 4 times the square root of 3. And we are dealing with this blue square. So this side has got to be 4 times square root of 3, likewise 4 times square root of 3, and this side is 4 times square root of 3 as well. And now we can see the base of this green shaded trapezoid AB turns out to be 4 times square root of 3. And likewise, the height of this green shaded trapezoid is 4 times square root of 3 as well. So therefore, now our end task is to calculate this tiny base DE length, and we know this whole length is 4 times square root of 3, and this segment EC length is 4 units. So therefore this tiny segment DE length has got to be 4 times square root of 3 minus 4 units. So therefore our this base of this green shaded triangle is lowercase a, this base is lowercase b, and this is the height h of this trapezoid. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded trapezoid ABED. And here's our area of a trapezoid formula once again. Area equals to height h times a plus b all over 2. And our a value is 4 times square root of 3, b value is 4 times square root of 3 minus 4, and our height h is 4 times square root of 3. So therefore the green trapezoid ABED area is going to be, our height is 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2 times our a value is 4 times square root of 3 plus our b value is 4 times square root of 3 minus 4. And here we can see this part reduces to 2 times square root of 3, and here we're going to combine these two like terms. So therefore we can write 2 times the square root of 3 times a times square root of 3 minus 4. And now I am going to distribute these numbers. And bear in mind, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is simply 3. So therefore when we multiply these one, that is going to give us 48, and then minus 2 times square root of 3 minus 4. When we multiply them, that is going to give us 8 times square root of 3. Square units, the area of this green shaded trapezoid ABED. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded trapezoid ABED turns out to be 48 minus 8 times square root of 3 square units. In other words, the area of this green shaded trapezoid is going to be 48 minus 8 times square root of 3 square units. And this area is going to be approximately equal to 34.1 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.